Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage post visibility on TikTok. Okay, let's get started. First thing first, let's just open up our TikTok application, then go to your TikTok profile. Okay, and here you can go to the TikTok setting by clicking on these three lines. Okay, and select the settings and privacy. Then if the settings and privacy have been opened, you can go to the activity center, and this is the post visibility. Here you can manage your post visibility on TikTok. Click on it. Okay, and for example, I'm going to make this video become private. I'm going to make it only me, and we can click on the video. Actually, we can click on multiple videos, and I'm going to select more than one video. Okay, like this, and we can click on next. Then I'm going to make it only me, so only me who can see this post. Then we just need to click on update. Okay, and now the visibility has been updated, and that's how we can manage post visibility on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.